The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not to be owned, but to be felt, experienced, lived.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I need you to promise me you'll show some restraint there, Johnny.
What's the problem, sis? Afraid to turn up the heat?
Not at all. But in most realities, these are some of our closest allies.
Fair point. Guess I'll set my flames to bake instead of broil.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got my eye on some of the lowest guests. Doom is a powerful magic adept. I expect we will face each other again.
We need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
I am strengthened. Bionic magic!
No worries. I got your spider bomb.
Power beyond sight!
Overconfidence. They've made it
I have
halfway.
unfinished
Stop
business
them.
here.
Better stop that vehicle.
Tony! We need you!
Come on over!
Double KO.
The mystic arts
They
will
hit a
fail
checkpoint.
again.
Now might be a good time to stop them.
Of course you needed help.
Fury!
The emanations of power here nearly overwhelming.
Better stop that vehicle.
Knew it!
I'm at maximum force.
I am strengthened for battle.
Shields up. I am ready to put on a show.
Now got their accuracy pathetic!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Double KO. They
The
made it
mystic arts
halfway.
won't fail
Stop
me
them.
again.
Better stop that vehicle.
They got me good! I could use a hand! And maybe
They
a
look
foot!
like they need... What am I? Invisible?
There's still a chance to stop them.
Good medicine.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Way to stop that vehicle!
Making the cut.
This was inevitable.
By the eye of Agamotto! Tower beyond sight!
Shield. Perfect.
Making the cut.
What am I? Invisible?
He's stopped in the nature!
Guns are accuracy percentage. Boom! No skill shot.
I like the cool.
We lack strength for this encounter.
Don't give them another inch! Or else.
Our enemies are near.
The current score is 0-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2, go!
The time entanglement is a vexing problem. Even for the sorcerer.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
So you just wave those jacked up hands of yours around and, poof?
My spells require very precise hand motions to cast correctly.
Oh, I've got some signature hand motions. But showing you would ruin our rating.
I believe it would be best for all if I just took your
The
word.
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They got the drop on you!
Good medicine.
Did ya?
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
They got me good. I can use a hand. Maybe a foot.
Go easy on him.
Watch your tail. You're halfway there. Keep going.
Good medicine. Journey into mystery. Yes. Right.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
We lack strength for this encounter. That should make a difference.
Maximum impact.
I have unfinished business.
One eye. Zero win.
Get that vehicle moving again.
Tippy-toe spotted bad guy.
Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
Only 60 seconds left.
At this rate, Spider Zero will be an old woman when we get there. I am strengthened for battle.
Down to 30 seconds. It's party time!
Down goes their accuracy percentage!
No there yet. Going to overtime.
In front of us. Not worth wasting a journey into mystery. Yes. Right.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
These mechanical arachnids are no more. That should make it. Maximum impact!
You're halfway
Hands are
there.
shaking
Keep
again.
going.
Focus.
In your face, goodbye!
I purge the darkness.
Damage sustained. Need assistance.
By the shades of the
Only 60
Seraphim,
seconds
I
left.
return.
Get that vehicle moving again.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Damage sustained. Need assistance.
By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
The final 10 seconds. It's spider time! No there yet. Going to overtime.
By the eye of Agamotto! By the eye of Agamotto!
Please don't go down this easy. Double KO. I am ready to put on a show.
The mystic arts won't fail me again. I'm opening a portal.
They're here.
Pentagram of Corral.
Final score. 1, 2, 3. Well, you can't expect to win them all. Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. The time entanglement is a vexing problem.
30 seconds before you attack.
Before the
Get ready.
Sorcerer Supreme.
Summon the seas!
Doctor Strange, wow.
We're in this together, Tandy Bowen. Get the stars out of your eyes and let us fight.
Oh, all business.
The fate of many worlds is at stake. It is a mighty quest.
Man. Oh, totally.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I'm beginning to think I should have stayed beneath the waves.
I am strengthened for battle.
The mission area is yours to capture now.
Oh, please.
I seem to be
Tower beyond sight!
The mission area is yours.
Be proud of what you did here.
Ionic magic!
Field? Great.
Good medicine. Tower beyond sight!
Pick up behind you. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
An unseen assist! I am here to help.
Another name off the old hit list.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Good medicine.
I got you covered. I'm trying to help.
Judge! Jury! Executioner! War is hell. Right, bar. Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Double KO.
Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
The area's almost yours. Shields up here.
They will strike.
Maximum
and I suspect it will be
pulse!
soon.
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime. Control lost.
A little help, please. How's that for a vanish?
The Sorcerer Supreme returns. Good medicine. By the eye of Agamotto!
This is real firepower!
An unseen assist!
Nowhere yet. Going to
magic! I am strengthened for battle. All those crises I quietly put out, you have no idea.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Daddy needs a nap. So you can make anything invisible? Like, anything?
Even my power has its limits. But for all intents and purposes, yes.
Cool. So if I happen to go into battle without pants, I can just blame you then, right?
Give it a try, and everyone here will find out what else.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Be wary of this location.
Here I thought the Second World War was a nightmare.
Looks like we've got ourselves a party.
Good medicine. An unseen assist.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack. The mission area is yours.
We did it! Baby Galacta will shut up now!
Disappear! Shield up!
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Again!
How are they on sight?
Someone brought
You got them all!
Again! Oceans, protect me!
I am strengthened for battle.
Invisible?
Reign supreme!
Just embrace the light! You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going!
I have become vulnerable.
By the eye of Agamotto! Ionic magic!
Double kill!
Good medicine.
Compared to me,
Glory is almost yours!
Our enemies are near. Thanks for the boost. Extreme force! The sorcerer.
No winner yet. Going to overtime! Another epic victory! Big win!